Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I was on the hunt for the perfect pair of bike shorts, and I am so glad that I found these.
These high waist biker shorts by Ksmien are exactly what I was looking for. They look adorable with an oversized t-shirt, just as an outfit like that. Or if you are working out, they move with you. They're the perfect amount of restriction, but also you're able to breathe in them. So I find them very comfortable. That high waist sits nicely on your waist, and it's got two outside pockets, which is an absolute must have for me. I love how thick the waistband is too, and it also has a secret pocket on the inside, which is perfect if you're running out of the house and you need to take your keys with you or something like that. I have them here in a size medium in the 8-inch black. They are perfect for me. I'm usually a medium or a small, so I find that they fit really well. These are just so versatile, whether I'm wearing them to work out at the gym, on a walk, or if they're just part of my outfit with an oversized t-shirt. These are the perfect biker shorts for me. They are comfortable, they keep me cool, and they're easy to move in. So I am really happy with just how comfortable these are.
I love these shorts, whether I am staying active or just want to keep cool in the warm weather, or maybe I'm looking for that perfect pair of biker shorts to go with my oversized t-shirt. These have been an awesome, awesome option. I find them to be very comfortable and I love the pockets, but that's just my point of view.